Just doing a little review on this Baja Designs Squadron Sport LED headlight.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
I really love this headlight, and I like how it straps up. It has these rubber straps here, and they secure really strong, but they say if it loosens up, it has two other notches. But I'll tell you, the first notch is really hard to pull over to. It's on there solid, absolutely solid. And so mounting it is a breeze, you know, just one connection. It's easy to take off, and I can put my number plate back on when I want to hit the dirt track or whatever to reduce the weight and get rid of the headlight. I think it looks really awesome to me, but beauty's in the eye of the beholder. But as far as performance and all, I want to let you know that this is not a DOT headlight. I'm going to get on the bike and I'm going to show you the beam and everything, and show you that it doesn't blind drivers. But one thing I wanted to mention about this headlight, what irritates me, I don't know why it does this, but the brake line here, the corner of the headlight here goes up underneath the brake line, but I don't know why, because the brake line sits lower and this is higher, and you push on it and it doesn't seem like, it makes no sense why it would go up underneath. And by the way, the brake line though flows freely through here. It goes through here and out the side. I'm gonna have to like zip tie the line or something to other lines, or do something to keep it from tucking up underneath all the time. That is very irritating. That's the only negative aspect so far that I've had with the light. But anyways, let's get on the bike here and I'll show you the headlight performance. It's getting kind of dark now, so go ahead. With this bike, I always have to turn everything on. Got to press the on button there, put the headlight on. It does have a screw underneath it where you turn it and it will adjust the beam of the light. I put it low so that it doesn't blind oncoming drivers. Right. Let's go for a ride. See here. The beam is great. It's perfect amount of light. It's only it's 2200 lumens. It only uses 20 watts, and to me it's just as good as a DOT headlight, except for it doesn't have a high beam. But it's so bright and everything that you really don't need a high beam. And I can always add auxiliary lights here and tie it into the high beam wire on this, so that when I flip to high, I will get a high beam if I want to go that route. But honestly, I don't really ride at night that much to make that big of a difference, and I'd rather not have the weight. What's over here? I've never been over here, man. What is this? Is that part of the trail? I guess so. Huh. I've never been over here. But I'll show you here. This, yeah, the light is fantastic, man. It has just the right amount of light that I need. I love it. You go around corners on this bike, man, with confidence with these Supermoto wheels, man. I love it. You take it a lot lower with confidence. But I want to show you, I'm going to get up on this car and show you that it doesn't blind cars at all. I probably should even raise the beam just a bit. But see that? Doesn't affect the cars at all, man. And it has a good amount of light. Perfect. It rides beautiful, and when it's dark, the light is just right. Look at that. Just right, man. I absolutely love the light so far, except for this. See, look at it. The cable goes over the corner of the headlight. I don't know why it does that. And maybe I need to watch this video and slow it down and watch it happening. But I'll probably have to maybe get a longer brake line or something. I don't know, do figure something out, maybe cut the corner off or something. But yeah, as far as this light, amazing. I like it. Doesn't flicker or anything. No issues. Nice and bright, white. Not blinding cars at all. And by the way, the headlight housing, from my understanding, with the headlight in it and everything, rubber mounts, it only weighs 1.9 pounds. It's very light. And like I said, very easy to add to the bike. So for those of you that want to do a conversion like I did, turn into a street legal dual sport or a supermoto, this is a good headlight to do it with. Except for this stupid corner there. See that? That corner, man. See, I have the Tusk dual sport lighting kit that comes with the switch there. And it has a high beam, low beam, and high beam. I wired it to the low beam, and then, like I said, I made it. And damn, man, don't you see me coming? Car getting ready to run into me. What the heck, man? Yeah, crazy. Gotta be careful out there, boy. I tell you, you gotta stay sharp. If he'd have came at me, I would have launched right off of this bike. You guys don't believe it, man, but I would. I'm sharp when I tell you. I'd have jumped right off these pegs if I couldn't divert away from the car. Save you from having a real effed up day. But yeah, I'll put a couple in I may or may not put a couple of auxiliary lights there and then wire it to the high. So, but if I click the high, it'll cut the low off. So, and then of course it had the high beams. But yeah, guys, I'll include a link to where I got this headlight in the description and comment section of this video. They have two different ones. They have the Sport and the Pro. I have the Sport, and it was cheaper. And the main reason I got it, not because it was cheaper, was because it uses less power. It only has 20 watts of power that it uses. As where the other one, I don't know what the other one is, but it has more lumens. It's got like 4,000 lumens, so it's probably like 40 watts. The Pro, I'll link the Pro and the Sport in the description and comment section of this video. So if you want more light than this, then of course go with the Pro. But this, where you don't want to use a whole lot of power, but you get a nice amount of light, then I would go with this Sport model. Like I said, links to both of them in the description and comment section of this video. Now, as far as all the mods I did to this bike, if you want to get links to everything I did on this bike, I did update my website at CycleCruza.com. And if you click on the menu tab, My Mods, the first bike on there is this bike, and it has links to all the mods I did to this bike. This thing rips. It's violent too. I like that, man. I love it. So sick, man. But anyways, for those of you guys that want to get my gear, you know, my camel pants, boots, and other stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Gear. And those are a bunch of links to all of my gear and stuff. And if you want to see more of my videos, click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with my over 1,200 plus videos categorized into those playlists to make it easier for you to navigate through. Hey, hit thumbs up, share this video. Appreciate you guys. I got a bunch of videos coming on different stuff on this bike and experience and all. So stay tuned, guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel, and also go check out my other channel, Baja Moto.
Showcases a van that I customized for cheap that allows me to live in my van with my motorcycle anywhere, and has a ton of cool mods. And that channel has everything from build videos, trip videos, anything and everything Baja Moto. As a courtesy, I included 2 video playlists. One for new riders, and those are all of the videos I've done over the years that I feel are helpful for new riders, and also my popular videos playlist. Hey, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate it. Take care.